Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the Lunar New Year, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a zodiac symbol snake. So hope you follow along and enjoyed this video today. Now, to start off with our Lunar New Year Zodiac Snake, we're going to do something a little different. We're actually going to be using a red Sharpie for this instead of the traditional black. Now, to begin with this, let's start up here with the eye. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve back here. Then I'm going to curve this line down and up for the eye. Then inside of here, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to curve it up like this. We can go ahead and just kind of color in the rest of this. Next, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around for where the other eye would be. Then I'm going to bring this line out, and then we're just going to curve this line up here. Then we're going to bring this line down. And then we're going to curve this back up here. Next, let's go ahead and make some teeth on here. So I'm going to begin by making a couple points like this. And then I'm going to make a wavy line that comes down and up, and then back for the tongue. Next, let's go ahead and kind of curve this line back to here. And then we're just going to kind of curve this line around a couple times. And then down to here. Next, I'm going to bring it to here. And then I'm just going to curve this line around and kind of remake that same shape. Like that. Next, we're just going to kind of curve a line that's going to go around the bottom of our snake here and all the way to the end. Next, let's make some details. Let's make some ovals up here for the nose. Then let's make kind of like a moon shape by the eye. We'll make like another shape here. We can make a few little circle designs right here. And then like a little design here. Now I'm going to make some curved lines with like some bumps on them. And this is just going to add some detail to our snakes. We're just going to kind of make these all the way around, just like a little curve. And you can see the bumps are going to start pointing down as they come farther along, depending on the angle of the snake. So we're just going to add these curves all around here. And I'll stop right about there. Next, I'm going to add some circles in between here. We're going to put these right between all of these shapes here. Then right here, I'm going to make these kind of like half-pointed moon shapes all the way across the belly of our snake. So we're going to do this all the way across. You can see just these big pointy shapes. And we're just kind of making these all the way down the stomach of our snake. As I get down here, I'm going to make another circle. And then I'm going to put some of these curves like this coming down here to kind of add something a little different. I'm I'm also going to make some of these little bumps right across here, kind of all aiming towards the little circle shapes that we created. Then right up here, I'm going to make like a little curve, another curve, and then I'm going to add some like flower petals around here. I'm going to make another curve over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Lunar New Year Zodiac Snake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.